Hello everybody, it's Trevor Slescu, owner of Monster Hobbies again. Well, I've just finished writing up the package for our Wargaming Tournament, which is coming on May 25th, 2019, down at Monster Hobbies. 10 a.m., $10 entry, $100 in GW pricing, $50 for first, $30 for second, $20 for third, 1,000 point armies. Okay, now that that's out of the way. So, I just finished printing this off. My printer ink is starting to run out, so it's not going to be the best images. But, so the first scenario we have is Scorched Earth, which is right out of the General's Handbook on page 55. But I have added in some extra bits here. This, of course, is from the Burning Catacombs in the Balance for Power book. So I've added in the White Hot Weapons, which basically says roll 2 dice at the start of each battle round. If the combined result is an even number, the Mystic Wind has no effect. If the result is odd, the Mystic Wind fans the pyromantic energies within your warrior's weapons. Until the start of the next battle round, both players can add 1 to all wound rolls. So that's pretty cool for the first scenario. Stay tuned to learn about the second.